So very good morning. So we will wait for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we will start our session. Okay. So we should start. So in the previous lecture, what has happened after 15 minutes, it will be disconnected. Okay. So we are not concerned about that. Okay. So whatever the things which will be not been available to you due to the bad internet connectivity from my side. Okay, so we will again recapitulate the previous lecture today, and some new topics we will also will discuss in this lecture regarding the quantizing and the quantizing error. Okay, so what are the different functions which will involve in the analog to digital conversion process, that we will discuss, and we will also discuss the previous lectures, some few things which will be not been available to you due to my internet connectivity. Okay, so we will discuss that thing also. Okay, so that means the type of sampling operation, right? So there will be the four different type of sampling operation we will observe in the conversion from analog to digital, right? So there will be the four type of conversion process we will see. One is a periodic sampling, second one is a multiple order sampling, third one is multiple rate sampling, and the fourth one is a random sampling. Okay. So then we will discuss about the quantizing and the quantizing error. Okay, so what do you mean by the quantizing? What are the different function that will be available for the conversion from the analog to digital conversion? That thing we will discuss, and we will also discuss the quantization error. Okay, if the time will be permit, what are the different diagram, okay, or the different diagram for the quantizer, and as well as we will see depending upon the different input signal what will be my input output characteristics. Okay, so that thing we will discuss today if the time will permit. Okay, so we will directly go to the section where we will discuss tomorrow. Yesterday we will discuss yesterday that different type of sampling, right? So we will directly go to the uh, one second. minutes. One second. Huh? I'm opening. My screen is sharing. Okay, I think it's come. So can anyone told me what are the different type of sampling we will observe? And anyone? Vishnu? What are the different type of sampling operation which we would see? Vishnu is there or not? Okay, fine. So is my voice is audible or not? Hello?
Audible, sir.
Okay, okay. So today we will discuss about the few things which will be already been taught in the previous lecture, but due to some internet connectivity, we are not able to discuss some few things. Okay, so we will directly go to my screen sharing so that you will able to check. So is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So okay, fine. So one second.
So your screen is looking.
Yes, yes, yes. First of all, I